peeps. So we got this. First, guys, I need one of these. I have to take off the old one. Oh, see, it snapped. See, yeah, that's crazy. So it wasn't even good. Let's hope we have one of the right sizes. Keep looking there. Yeah. Yeah, this one seemed better to me. See? Yeah, see, this one seemed way better to me. So that's on there. That's perfectly snugged. And it don't feel like it's moving too much. So that's one. The other one will be this right here. Yeah. Too big. I think this is more of one of these after it stretch out, or one of these, but this feels too thin. So I'm probably gonna try one of these. Still too thin for my liking. So I rather, this is fat enough so I know it can stretch. So yeah, I don't like the rest of those. They're kind of a bit thin. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, so no little one fat as this. They're just these big ones. Just keep looking like it, but when it goes on it, it just seems too big. It's definitely too big. See? It's not snugged. It's moving around. So definitely I need to. Yeah. What I could do is use two of these. Yeah. Because these are perfect. It's just that. One goes deer. So you see, they're perfectly snugged right there. So sorry to even notice that it's two. But I don't know if I'm gonna clean up the area a little bit. Gotta be careful with this here too, guys, because it will damage right there on the engine. So yeah, with that being done, this have that around it. There's one more. I'll be right back. This right here needs these. So guys, we still didn't get all the parts yet, but we're going to be putting on the inner cover right there along with the gasket, so we're going to be putting on the inner cover right here along with the gasket right there. So we're going to be connecting this right here. This goes on the back of here, this as well, this one right here as well, but those can stay for last. We need to get the gasket line up with this on it. Boy, this is sharp. It be cutting me all over. Yeah, trust me. And these parts, all of these parts here, every cutting is very sharp. So that's why you have to wear gloves doing this. Definitely, because it'll cut you up. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. So yeah, guys, we're here with this part now. So I use just a bolt to line it up, to line up this right here. Oh my God, got it. So boom, there we have it. So now we need to go down, make sure the way is clear if any other wires or anything else that's hindering it from going down. So there we have it. Don't fight it too much, because you know how these things go. You want to hold it right there. Just tighten it a little bit with your fingers before you try to put any tools on it. Just take your time and put it in. There's two. There's one that goes up there, and the lower one, and one that goes in here. Like this, like, you know what I mean? This side. So that is where it would lock, and then next piece like this, so that come together. Why? Because I want to look and make sure that these are the same exact bolt that is supposed to go here, because I know the last time I was doing it, one was longer than one. I mean, one is still longer than one right now, but I don't remember if it's these type. If it's those type, then I have no problem. Let's lock in the timing first. Pause it. Cover No, this come off the tool a while ago. Yeah. Have no business up in here. So I'm just gonna have to bring down the timing chain tensioner right there. Gonna have to bring it down so when it's time for me to put on the chain, you know, it's a simple process. Or I could just leave it like that, and when it's time for me to put on the chain, because I cannot put on the chain until I get the cams. The cams are not here yet. So this is just for the inner timing cover. This is just replacing the inner timing cover. The hose back here is already connected. That's behind here. That is for the water pump down here. I'm not gonna install the water pump or anything yet until I'm finished with all of this. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Or I'm thinking about it, because I'm thinking, I'm saying, okay, everything is back there. I might as well just put everything back together back there, because the timing chain is up here. You know what I mean? Just get some stuff out of the way, because the only reason why I pulled the water pump anyway was to take off the old piece. I wouldn't have to take off the water pump if I was just doing, you know, a timing chain job. So I think I'm going to put on that water pump. So the next video you guys see is probably me putting on the outer cover and the camshaft, setting the timing. So stay tuned, guys. So once you show them that more closely, once you get that in there sitting like that, you know it's time to put on your water pump. Now, this thing's shaped so weird. It's okay. Let me see if I can. Okay, seems like I got it. Nope. Because I'm trying to line it up before making contact, you know what I mean? But that's not lined up right there. But that's still seeing a part that was off. It more look lined up now. Yeah. Woo. Fireworks. My early birthday celebration. That's my early birthday celebration, guys. You know my birthday. My birthday is Friday. So yeah, everything is good. I just need to finish putting in these. I just put in the first two to line it up and catch it. Yes, guys, the fun part is yet to come. Yeah, this is I'm going to hold you? Oh, you don't want to go down there? Oh, you don't go there. Water pump in, inner timing cover on. So my people, we have reached the last lap of this video. This is part 2 of the valve cover slash cam cover removal and replacement, but because this side was damaged as well, I had to get it involved, taking off the inner timing cover. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for checking out my video. If you have not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing, liking the video, share. Thank you for the support.
Inner cover on. I'm excited.